Imagine waking up tomorrow and the internet no longer exists. How would you send a message? For thousands of years, people invented clever ways to communicate long before phones, computers, or social media existed. The earliest messages weren't written on paper. They were painted on cave walls to share stories, warnings, and knowledge. People also used smoke signals to send simple messages across long distances. As civilizations grew, trusted messengers carried important letters between villages, kingdoms, and powerful empires. Horses made communication much faster, helping messages travel farther in less time. Carrier pigeons became surprisingly reliable, delivering messages across hundreds of kilometers. Letters even crossed oceans by ship, but many journeys took weeks or sometimes even months. Then came the telegraph. Using Morse code, messages that once took days could suddenly be delivered in just minutes. The invention of the telephone changed everything, allowing people to hear each other's voices across great distances almost instantly.